Hello everyone, and welcome back to Hello English Daily, where you can find many videos to practice and learn English in less than 10 minutes. Subscribe if you want to learn English. Today, we will learn about countries and their capitals, and also how we call the people who live there their nationalities. Let's start. I'll say the country, then the capital, and then the nationality. Ready? Let's go. Italy, capital. Rome, people are Italian. France, capital. Paris, people are French. Spain, capital. Madrid, people are Spanish. Portugal, capital. Lisbon, people are Portuguese. Germany, capital. Berlin, people are German. Austria, capital. Vienna, people are Austrian. Switzerland, capital. Bern, people are Swiss. Belgium, capital. Brussels, people are Belgian. Netherlands, capital. Amsterdam, people are Dutch. United Kingdom, capital. London, people are British. Ireland, capital. Dublin, people are Irish. Norway, capital. Oslo, people are Norwegian. Sweden, capital. Stockholm, people are Swedish. Finland, capital. Helsinki, people are Finnish. Denmark, capital. Copenhagen, people are Danish. Poland, capital. Warsaw, people are Polish. Czech Republic, capital. Prague, people are Czech. Slovakia, capital. Bratislava, people are Slovak. Hungary, capital. Budapest, people are Hungarian. Greece, capital. Athens, people are Greek. Turkey, capital. Ankara, people are Turkish. Russia, capital. Moscow, people are Russian. United States, capital. Washington, D.C. People are American. Canada, capital. Ottawa, people are Canadian. Mexico, capital. Mexico City, people are Mexican. Brazil, capital. Brasilia, people are Brazilian. Argentina, capital. Buenos Aires, people are Argentinian. Chile, capital. Santiago, people are Chilean. Peru, capital. Lima, people are Peruvian. Colombia, capital. Bogotá, people are Colombian. China, capital. Beijing, people are Chinese. Japan, capital. Tokyo, people are Japanese. South Korea, capital. Seoul, people are Korean. India, capital. New Delhi, people are Indian. Pakistan, capital. Islamabad, people are Pakistani. Thailand, capital. Bangkok, people are Thai. Vietnam, capital. Hanoi, people are Vietnamese. Indonesia, capital. Jakarta, people are Indonesian. Philippines, capital. Manila, people are Filipino. Australia, capital. Canberra, people are Australian. New Zealand, capital. Wellington, people are New Zealander, or Kiwi in slang. Egypt, capital. Cairo, people are Egyptian. South Africa, capital. Pretoria, people are South African. Nigeria, capital. Abuja, people are Nigerian. Kenya, capital. Nairobi, people are Kenyan. Morocco, capital. Rabat, people are Moroccan. Saudi Arabia, capital. Riyadh, people are Saudi or Saudi Arabian. Iceland. Capital. Reykjavik. People are Icelandic. United Arab Emirates. Capital. Abu Dhabi. People are Emirati. Singapore. Capital. Singapore. People are Singaporean. Great job, everyone! Now you know 50 countries, their capitals, and what people from those countries are called. Try to practice at home, choose 5 countries, and make your own sentences like, I live in Italy. I'm Italian. Or, Paris is the capital of France. I recommend quizzing yourself. Pick 3 countries each week and recall their capitals and nationalities. You'll be surprised how quickly your accuracy improves. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Hello English Daily for more short and easy English lessons. See you next time. Bye!